Alright, folks, so in this video, I'm going to go over how to do a room schedule, window schedule, and a door schedule. First and foremost, you're going to need to make a copy of your first floor. So you're going to duplicate it, and you can hit duplicate, and then you're going to rename it room tag. So if I've already done that, so once you do your duplicate, you can go in, and I'll show you what that looks like actually. So right click, duplicate, duplicate. That's what it's going to look like. I recommend in this view you hide specific things that we don't need, basically everything, but the rooms themselves, the windows, and the doors. It's just going to make it a little bit cleaner. Now, once you have that done, we're going to put in room tags with areas, and we're going to rename them, and then we'll also put in window and door tags. Now, like I said, I've already done this, so you're just going to kind of follow along the steps that I explained to you, more so than me doing them because I can't do it twice. But under the architecture tab, you will find your rooms and your room tags. So if I click on that, you're going to be able to go and place your room tags in. And where you see blue boxes, that means I already have room tags. Now, this is a whole open area. To tag these as separate spaces like kitchen and dining room, living room, foyer, things like that, you have to add in room separators. And that is right here. And a room separator just lets you go in and separate with lines so that you can add tags to those areas. So now you can see they are two separate areas. Um, so if we go to my room tag, you'll see I've got my bedroom, my primary bedroom, bedroom 1, bathroom, bedroom 2. And when you place them up here, you can choose either room tag, room tag with area, room tag with volume. We want room tag with area. So make sure all of those have room tag with area. Once you've got your room tags in, you're going to want to put your doors and window tags in, which are very easy to do. Under the Annotate tab, we'll click on the Annotate tab, go to Tag All, and you're going to check on doors and windows and hit Apply. And that is going to give you all of these little numbers. All right, so basically you can see number 14 is the same window showing up multiple times. And then the door tags is literally just counting up doors. If you've done this more than once, it might not start with the number 1. It's fine. It doesn't matter. You'll hit apply and then okay. And then you've got your room tags, door tags, and window tags placed there. I'm going to delete this copy. And you can see first floor, basement, roof, room tag. Now, we need to create those schedules. To do that, down here, you'll see the schedules. You'll right click, new schedule. And I think I can do the room schedule again. So I'll just go to room, hit OK. And now I can start choosing my schedule properties. So for this, I'm just going to choose, what am I going to choose? I want name and area. And that's all I really want for that. I can get the grand total of rooms. I can also, let's see, appearance. Formatting. No. I mean, that might be enough. I think there's appearance. I don't want the blank row before data. Can uncheck that. Name. That's one other thing, but it's not that important if I can't find it. Grand total. It's fine. We can sort by area so the biggest room will come first and put it in descending order. And then if I hit OK, you can see here my names and my areas. And then that would be your room schedule. Now, mine says room schedule 2 because I have 2 of them. So down here you can see that, and I'm just going to actually go ahead and delete the second one that I just created. For my window schedule, very similar process. We're going to go right click, new schedule, scroll to the bottom, windows, okay, and then we're going to sort this by family. No, sorry. First we're going to do count, family, width, and height. And then we're going to go to filter. Nope. Sorting. Grand totals. We want to uncheck itemize every instance because if we have that checked, it's going to show each window as its own line, even if they are the same window and we want them counted up together. So we're going to uncheck itemize every instance. We're going to get rid of that blank row before data. And I think we'll hit OK. Now I missed something. So hold on one second. Like I said, I missed something. So we're going to go in here. We're going to go sort by family, descending. Let's see if that does it. There we go. So now you can see I have 2 of the double hung windows with the same width and height. I have 8 of the window casements, window casement double, same width and height. So that's that. Then we'll do a door schedule. So now we're going to do this for our door schedule. And as you can see, I've got 2 window schedules here. So I'm just going to delete one of them. And if I'm not mistaken, the only difference, save. Don't forget to save. Yep, I just have that silly bar, which you don't need. But yeah, let's do our new schedule. Doors, okay. We're gonna do count, family, width, and height. Filter, we'll do family, something, grand totals. Again, we don't want itemized appearance, blank row, get rid of that. Okay. And I missed something. Or no. I might have missed something. Width. There we go. So I had to sort it by not only the family, because I have the same one, and the same height, but I have a couple separate widths. Now, I don't have a front door. I don't have all of the doors in my home. You will probably have more doors than I do, but I just wanted to demonstrate how you would make this schedule because I'm not here to go over this with you in class. So, at this point, you should have 3 schedules down here. Let me pull up our document real quick. That will cover the windows, door, and room schedules. The only thing that we need to do is add in their little views, and I'm going to go over that with you here in just a second. Make a new sheet, right click, new sheet. I'm just gonna stick with the 17 by 22. Again, you could have a D-size sheet of paper. That is okay too, but since the rest of mine are 17 by 22, obviously I'm gonna stick with that. It is unnamed, so I want to rename this. So we're gonna rename this. What do I want to call this? Room, windows, no, and can't spell. Door, schedule. So to put these schedules in, it's very easy. You're literally just going to drag and drop them in. Now they look small, which is fine. So I don't know if I've gone over this, but what you can do is in here, we can edit type, I think. Maybe not edit type. Formatting. Appearance. No, where is it? Okay, so I was right. Under appearance, text, we can change the text. And then obviously we're gonna have to that's the door schedule, so we'll have to go in, mess with the size of our table. But it's gonna make it bigger for us. So put my door schedule there. Go into our window schedule. Appearance. I'm just gonna make them all quarter, and you can change those. We can set our text, and we can create a different font size besides a 1/4 inch. But for now, we're just gonna set that. They're gonna need the most room probably there. See what that looks like. So height doesn't need as much room. Width doesn't need as much room. Still don't need as much, but counts. Am I messing with I think I'm messing with the wrong one. There we go. That one's fine. This one needs a little, that's my window schedule. So now I can put these right next to each other. Give myself a little bit more room for count. There we go. And then finally I can do my room tags or my room schedule. I need a little bit more room. And then appearance. Let's see what that looks like. There we go. That's, well, let's move these around because I'm going to show you the next step here in a second. Windows, room, doors. All right, cool. Now we're going to insert images of each individual component, which we will do on the next video because I have 10 seconds left on this one.